Bake a cake with my Polish boss.
That's nice. So I can play you piano. Do you want to hear?
Like a church?
One song?
I need more butter. I'm done preparing. Excuse me, my dear. Oh my god, you just took a video. Wait, what's that? So now...
Hi, welcome into my kitchen. Today we will make a cake. Ube cake.
Welcome to
Welcome. So we need
egg.
We need egg. Yes.
You need to separate the egg yolk and the white.
Nice. I think I need to change my. You're doing great. I don't want to do broccoli.
Then I need to put the flour. My flour. Of course, we forgot. This video is not complete. This is a secret recipe anyway, so you cannot know, guys. Sorry. If you want my recipe, you need to buy. Look at my ube cake. Look, guys, it's so soft. See? You see that? It's bouncing, bitch. Look, guys. It's so perfect. Okay, this is the reveal. Ta-da! Wow. So I charge you 1,000. Look, guys. Look. You want to perfect your ube cake like so. It's a chiffon, Japanese, whatever. Look. It's jiggling. Someone's eating my creme now. It's empty now. What am I gonna put here? Now it's time to put frosting on my cake before Julia eat all of them. Look. Look. It's finished. Tell him this is abstract cake. So we are an artist, you know. I'm not an expert on decorating cakes, so I don't really know what design I'm gonna do. So I just frosted the cake just like so, and I think it is done. So guys, I made a smaller version for my daughter, which I'm gonna end up eating anyways, because she just eats creme. Same thing with this one. I don't know what to do. So it's same, it's just covering the entire cake with a cream and done. Here is the final product. This is what I did for her. And this is for myself. It's not even Steven, but it's good anyways. Goodbye!